Today, I'll show you how to add a pulsing heartbeat effect to your video. This effect is perfect for building tension or syncing with music. First, make sure you already have a video in your timeline. Tap on the clip to select it, and from the bottom toolbar, go into Effects. Now, head over to the RGB tab. Here you'll find an option called Shake Effect, and this is what we'll use for the heartbeat pulse. Once applied, you'll see two sliders, period and intensity. The period slider adjusts how fast the pulse happens, while the intensity slider controls how strong the shake feels. Play around with both until you get that heartbeat rhythm. Finally, drag the yellow handles at the edges of the effect to make it last across your entire clip or just a section where you want the effect to kick in. And that's it. You've created a dramatic pulsing heartbeat effect in VN Video Editor. Play with the settings to sync it with music or add extra intensity to your video. If this tutorial helped, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more VN editing tips.